up, guys?
Good morning!
We're here at the bottom of Quarry Rock Trail here at Deep Cove. It's one of the lifestyles here in Vancouver is outdoor living. And it's the perfect time right now during spring. It's nice weather. Nice way to start the spring by doing a simple trail.
We are now off to hiking. We wanted to start off with a beginner's trail, so we heard that Quarry Rock is perfect for it. We've never hiked before. This will be our first time. So it's 7 a.m. and it's time to hike up. Come on, vamonos! Everybody, let's go!
So enthusiastic.
Sobrang lamig po. Lamig, hindi namin in-expect. Buti nag 3 layers ako.
So cold. So if you search for Quarry Rock in Google Maps, it's probably gonna lead you to a wrong place, but it's pretty close to the right place. Be wilderness safe. Do you have phone batteries? Water bottle? Check. Apples?
Oh, no.
We don't have apples!
Apple phone.
Apple phone. Poncho? We don't have a poncho. No shelter. No first aid kit. We should turn back now.
In short, we're doomed. Oh no! Wala bang bear dito?
Rawr!
Pero may ano siya, no? Steps. Ito lang yung alam kong hike na nilihagdan.
Beginners nga eh.
A few moments later.
5 minutes in and we're already gasping.
Are we there yet?
First milestone. We made it to this bridge, which is about just 10 meters away.
Here's a few details about the trail if you want to go. Overall, the trail is 4 kilometers long. Elevation is 100 meters above sea level.
This trail gets pretty busy during the day, so if you were to come here, we recommend that you guys go at the beginning of the day, so during sunrise, or wait till sunset.
In average, it will take 2 hours to complete the entire trail.
Water break. It turns out that it's really hard to film while you're hiking because you're looking down to make sure you don't stumble and you're making sure that you capture the right moments. You know, one thing I wish there were like signs where you are during the trail and how longer you're gonna have to walk for the lookout. Let's go!
Balikan mo na lang ako.
2 more minutes. It's right there.
It doesn't look like 2 minutes.
We're starting to see people coming down that we've seen going up, so I think we're pretty close. So it took us about how long?
Around an hour.
Such a nice view up here. It was worth the walk. Yes? You wanna recall how much you you regretted going here?
It took me a lot of stopovers.
Stopovers. Time to head back.
Another hour going down.
This is supposedly to be easier. Let's see if the hike down is easier than the hike up.
Here we go.
Ah! I thought this was downhill. What is this?
We need to climb up.
We're supposed to go downhill, right?
We are going back to the other side of the mountain where we left our car.
At one point, there was this strange sound that came from somewhere. We thought it was like a trunk of a tree coming down or something. It was just a woodpecker. It's amazing how life just bursts out of anywhere here.
One eternity later.
Done.
Yeah.
There you go. That was our hike to Quarry Rock Deep Cove. That's where we were a few minutes ago. If you were to come here, definitely come early in the morning or during sunset if you want to take good pictures, because it gets really busy. We were coming down and it was like everyone is just coming up.
It's good for all ages, from young kids to older people. We've seen them, and you can also bring your fur babies with you. So we saw a lot of dogs from small sizes to big sizes. We also saw some people bringing their picnic blankets, so they have some snacks and food, so when they reach the top of the mountain they have a small gathering there. And some people bring their musical instruments as well.
Yeah, you know what I find really hard? Filming while hiking. It's really hard to try to like film everything while not stumbling down.
Well, it's our first, so we'll get the hang of it, hopefully.
Yeah, so our goal really is to like try as much as we can to experience everything that BC offers, Vancouver offers, and hiking is definitely one of them. So this is just the start. We're gonna try to explore more places that we can hike.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And let us know in the comments down below if you want us to try other things. See you in our next vlog. Bye!